Hello friends, and in the previous tutorial we created a line chart or an area chart to see how the countries are performing into the markets. And you can see the beautiful chart that we just created, line chart. And in this tutorial we will be using a pivot table. Pivot table are a very powerful tools to summarize your data sets, to generate some beautiful insights from these data. And so in this tutorial we will be creating a pivot table. So to create it on a new sheet, you just go here and create a new sheet and title it with pivot tables, and now open it. So the sheet is empty, and you want to add some things over here. So you can add, the sheet is empty, click the edit button over here. Now you want to create a pivot table, so select the pivot table from the charts and load it. Now you can go to the presentation properties tab over here, and now you need to add the data. First of all, we will be adding the measure because you want to see how the revenues are going on. So add the revenue into your measure, add the revenue, and we want the average of the revenue. And now we want to see on the rows, add the data to the rows, and in the rows we want to see how the different countries are performing. So we will be choosing the retailer country, and in the column we will be adding, we can add any number of variables to our rows and to our columns, but we will be adding single column to make it simpler. And you can see how pivot table are getting customized itself as soon as we are selecting the variables. So now in the columns you can go and select the product line, and you can see over here these are the different product lines, and you can also add many number of things, but I hope to keep these things just simpler. And now click over here, and so this is the pivot table just we have created. Now let us save it and try to see it. So we are done, and click over here, and this is the pivot table that we just created, and you can see that how beautiful it is. You can see you are getting the revenues of country wise and different product types. So Australia, you can see that in Australia this is the number of sales that we are getting for the camping equipment, for the golf, mountaineering equipments, and outdoor personal accessories. So these are the sales generated across these countries. Now you can change the filter over here, and you can choose any of these countries. Like I want to see how Canada is performing, so make it selected, and you can see that Canada, and you just want to add another, you can compare it with Brazil, click on right, and now you can compare that how these countries are performing. And if you want to select, you can also select from these, you can also filter from these. And so this is the use of pivot tables, and you can see how interactive they are, and you can summarize your all of the things in pivot table. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.